Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 16. In my opinion, one of the best updates to iOS in the past few years. It has amazing new features and a lot of improvements and enhancements on the previous features of iOS. But of course, not everything is great. iOS 16 is missing some features that are actually pretty useful, and not necessarily big features, but features that we're used to use on daily basis and would just make your life easier. Unfortunately, Apple has removed a few of these features. Hopefully they will make a comeback, but for a lot of those, I believe they're gone for good. So in this video, I will show you guys 10 features that Apple has killed with iOS 16. Let's first take a moment to thank the sponsor for today's video, NordVPN, the best VPN solution for iPhone users, easy to use and full of super useful features. NordVPN lets you connect to more than 5,500 servers in 60 different countries. You can connect to any of these servers with one click or enable auto connect for zero-click protection. NordVPN has been confirmed to be the fastest VPN, and it can be used in up to 6 different devices on every major platform: iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, Linux, even on your Android TV. And the double VPN feature will give you extra protection, which will let you route the traffic through 2 different VPN servers, doubling the encryption. And now the anti-malware features that have been added to NordVPN will give you a much smoother and safer online experience. Threat protection will block ads and web trackers, and it will also scan downloaded files for malware and scan URLs and block malicious ones. With these advanced anti-malware capabilities, NordVPN has become more than just a VPN. It's now a very powerful cybersecurity tool. Go ahead and give it a try by checking the link right down below in the description and get an exclusive NordVPN deal by going to nordvpn/iReviews, and now it's risk-free with NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee. And the first of them can be found on the video player. We actually have 3 different features that Apple has removed from the video player. Of course, they have redesigned the video player on iOS, and it's not really good. In my opinion, this is one of the worst things that Apple has done on iOS 16. This is really bad. The older video player on iOS was much better and way easier to use. Now, first of all, when you want to zoom in on a video on iOS 15, all you have to do is just double tap like this, and you can zoom in. You cannot do that with iOS 16, and actually it's really hard to do so. You will have to just actually zoom like this, so pinch in and out. You cannot do it in any other way. On iOS 15, all you have to do is just double tap to zoom in and zoom out. Another thing Apple has removed from the video player is the zoom in and out button. You can see right here we have the close button and we have the picture-in-picture button. But on iOS 15, you will also have a button that would allow you to just zoom in on the video, actually fit the video to the screen of your iPhone. That's a really great feature to have, and most times it would come pretty handy. Now here's the third feature that Apple has actually removed from the video player, and that's this scrubbing through the video. Now you can actually just do like this to go 10 seconds back and 10 seconds forward now with iOS 16, or you can just slide your finger like this. But on iOS 15, you can actually just drag your finger up and down, and that would actually adjust the speed of the scrubbing. Now on iOS 16, it just moves the same as I do it here, or just move the finger up, it just scrubs the same at the same speed. But with iOS 15, you would just slide your finger up from scrubbing just like this, and it would slow down so you can go to the exact scene that you need to go on any video. That's another great feature that probably you have used a lot on iOS that now has been removed with iOS 16. Moving on to the lock screen. Now you can see what we have here, the lock at the top. You have this of course on iOS 15 as well, and it's a bit bigger, but that's not the problem. The problem is that on iOS 16, it only shows the lock when your device is locked. The moment it recognizes your face, it will actually just disappear, and you don't know whether the device is locked or not. That's a really bad thing that Apple has done. With iOS 15, it will keep showing the lock, it will just unlock it and still show it right here when your device has a passcode or Face ID. And while we're on the lock screen, here's another thing that I don't like about this update. unless you use a widget on the lock screen for the battery of your iPhone, there is no way to tell the percentage of battery while charging your iPhone. So you can see right here, it doesn't tell the percentage anywhere at all. You have to actually add a widget in order to see that. But previously on iOS 15, you had the percentage when the iPhone was charging. So you can see right here, when I go to the lock screen, it says charged 31%, and then of course it would go away after a couple of seconds. You can see right there, and then of course move on to the date and day, but now it doesn't show that at all. And I think that was actually very useful to just have the screen and wake the screen and see how much battery your iPhone has. But now of course with iOS 16, Apple has decided to remove it. Moving on to wallpapers. Now with your iOS 15 device, you can go to any wallpaper you want, tap the little share button, use it as a wallpaper, and then choose whether you want to use it on the home screen, lock screen, or both of them. Well, with iOS 16, you cannot add a wallpaper to your home screen from the Photos app without having to actually apply it to the lock screen as well. So if I tap on done right here, you can see it says set as wallpaper, then we have to go to customize home, and then we can go ahead and change it from here. But of course, again, you can customize the home, but it will still be on the lock screen as well. So if you just want to apply a wallpaper to the home screen only, you will have to change it through the settings of your device. There's no way to set a wallpaper for your home screen directly from the Photos app without having to set it on the lock screen as well. While we're on the wallpapers here, we don't have dark mode, light mode wallpapers on iOS 16. That's really bad. I thought that was just beta 1 and we would have new wallpapers with a dark mode and light mode with beta 2 or beta 3. Now we're almost on beta 4 and there is no light and dark wallpapers. The only wallpapers that will work with dark mode and light mode are these wallpapers right here, the dynamic wallpapers, which are really old and of course not that good at all. All the other wallpapers don't have a dark mode. Even the stock wallpaper of iOS 16 doesn't have a dark mode. You switch between the dark and the light mode, you will still have the same wallpaper. So all the light and dark mode wallpapers have been removed. Staying here on the wallpaper section, we don't have live wallpapers anymore. Live wallpapers are just gone. We used to have some pretty cool live wallpapers, the ability to set videos as live wallpapers on the lock screen of your iPhone, but they're gone. There are no more live wallpapers. We don't have any on the stock wallpapers of iOS, and it's actually no way you can apply a live wallpaper on your iPhone anymore. It doesn't give you the option to enable live or not when setting a wallpaper, and I think they're gone for good. So unfortunately, all the apps that are on the App Store that offer live wallpapers, most of the devices now will be on iOS 16, so they don't have anything to do about it. Apple has actually decided to just move on from live wallpapers and completely remove them from iOS. Really annoying on the music app. The music volume and also the scrubbing here don't have a dot that would indicate basically where the music is or where the volume is, and it would be much easier for you to grab that and slide it. That's really annoying to have something like this with no dot or anything. Basically you need a lot more concentration to actually move the volume knob up or down or just move around on a song. So that has been removed from iOS with iOS 16, and it's really annoying. You can see if we go here to iOS 15, we actually have that, and it's much easier for you, of course, you can see, to move up and down and change the volume of a song. And last but not least, another feature that has been removed, but unfortunately this wasn't a feature of iOS 15. This is a feature that Apple has added to iOS 16 but has removed it on beta 3. I don't know if this is forever or they will bring back this feature, but it's the ability to hang up a call using Siri. So you go to settings, Siri as search, and right here would have an option to enable hang up calls. So you're basically on a phone call, you just ask Siri to hang it up and it's gone. Now Apple has actually removed it. I tried to find it. I thought they have moved it on some other place, but it's not on iOS 16. Hopefully it will make a comeback with the next betas. So that's it for this video, guys. These are 10 iOS features that Apple has removed with iOS 16, unfortunately. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.